for me mamo akwaba eba to my GHSO and ama obusu asa pray news abetuja trendy and amede ebesomo for quite a while now no call the social media space so news back what trendy him social media so Chacha Ike Efani Nigeria ni abayo just ni and saying what the video better there was say will die our real. Na ensemenia Dania mate say obeka sa asem no area ni hu video fofo bia onu amu asaba bontin di ma enum no za bre no workers wo yare na yare ya dream yare bipolar ni bi na aye na enam so e man record the first video now what the HSL will jai our now rejai de any dream say will jai na in some tragu here to say focus said that be 8 min manisa na nipa o do record the video that better bonting I would assume e dey account won dey to the page so dey ban is saying and what team ba bonting 7 sana no say ya renti and man o cast asem no na we and to say blogger to form echiben ni nua bema IK Ike I will be anim so no there they be ada ni nua ba Chacha Ike no odinemu edemanu say asem be fa ni nua no won there obeba no obeka na efita se no was say ni nua ba no enye the private issue bia and the better bontes so no crampo itu ni for say social media there they open nkofo ehu emfa ho no and na betuja na enye de wo komu umbeso bia beti obi benya mu asebetina so edietia na obeka to abonte e na wa kra po say the air cost on a brabo mu no ni nua no ebe posti ewo ni page so ni Instagram page so ade say koye nsem divorce die no na no na waka no o kire kofo mu bi say say asem no the abeto da na wo mo fa sa na hu nya so be chechire mu na nso video to so mienu eba abonti ani nua no APF that will be na workers for bipolar no papa abonti in a series of Instagram posts abetwe mu say video we say na ye hu no enesa na sifate ni nua ba ni po ni awe say video we abeto bedwe mu atese wo bia ehye bi ena ebiem so no ene ni nua no ena e post video na ya repra ni nua no e ka video no so nya bipolar no ni nua no eni sa yare no ebi ebusa for we dey mon preme na me kenkan ni nua no post ni bi efa ensom dey kan ya wode eba say I don't like drama. I don't fight on social media. I prefer to be low key on social media, but I won't ignore this because it is all shades of wrong and evil. Firstly, Chacha has not used a phone for the past 5 days and she did not post that video. Secondly, she does not have bipolar disorder. Thirdly, I don't know how that video was made. Why did he post such information without her consent? Because she is not aware that he posted that video. No, what you say he reference that word no. They say one and one about Chacha any Nick no Austin fan into there. Austin Fanny and as I said the Chacha Ike Fanny no my brother accusing the say what did a video no ever to ja what did didn't work as and the year and the year and the year out the two bontes say wo ja wa read no say your nan kwanon bipolar disorder and man yes sir no to na different say no prep and you know for the past 5 days ever since your video no wo hu ni phone pointing no we used to nti nukru no and now this video no etu jana to say asempa e wo fie na we for the mama enkoso ye post for the account dem no say I wonder why he is in a haste to clear his name at her expense. Someone you claim to love. Next time, use your IG account if you desperately want to clear your name. Meanwhile, for every smart move, I am here to counter it. Slow your roll. Let sleeping dogs lie. Wamane NC Wakra was sad for ever can no so Rochomo said that I said it's not a case of domestic violence. That does not mean you are innocent. The world knows there is a cover up here. Be careful, Mr. Man. Chacha is fine and safe. She is here with me. For those telling me to go to the hospital and stay with her rather than posting on media, I advise to go there and I will join you later to know the version of Chacha that is in the hospital. I am off to face my day. Thank you. Now the Richard Okra was the account a Bible verse at the say Otimun say asem no the way enifa esifa so na te say akoya asem kese no wode na me asem eta to te say wode bring out the real issue ekoso na say and wode eto was Jeremiah chapter 17 verse 9. The heart of man is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Who can know it? Ebusiafo Otimun say there is fire on the mountain and banner and kwasem say bibi ekoso ewo oba chacha ike ifani any ebiem so nikunu of Stefano your producer womo ente say Emma womara we no abeda on the verge of collapsing. Now what say na ensem no enitia ni nyana atrai be say obedi panke eyedrum manam mo say domestic abuse said nikunu bon na say nikunu yen boni bi wo fie ena nam so ena basa ya be fio nanso wo maye sisu ati asese anokwasem se bibi koso ho na de koso no egu aware ne nanu nti mi pese mi fa we so enka wonto dwase bi so aware mu no eye nipa mienu ene kabom eware enti ase ene bede wo muntem emomutira sibom enti se ba ko nti no ase de a eye den ra ye basa ye confusion be ma no mi so ewo ho enu nti se eye aware mu no problem ba ehu be hia se be hu se ene me nko na me gina wale ye mini nipa ene ye tese ye ekwa adwenkrom ene ebomu eware ne nti se aksem aba ana se bibi to bone bibi ko bone eware mu a nipa ba ko na ne trase am adwi ya mu gitum na na wesane na trase die no madi won komo na obi ade ne tiase abeka ho na tese tiase ye adwuma na obi ye no se me de me ebema so ni tire wo fie etimi ye tire kwa de meka nkwa na obedi atum de a de sa no na de go no eba enye se be metese wo nchire se wo yotire wo fie o etire wo fie no ne se wo nimdie wo bo fie wo ye wadwuma ene wasede se be ma nanso emra shisha na se this about the decision making now wonne wo yire wo ka foro se so boafo no betina se mo susu nsem na mo de atodwa na se ma implement wo mo fie na aka se wo ye trenti de bia da de wo ka no ene obi anfa na no adane eni e ma be authoritative e ma be violent person enu ntebe hia pa se ye be ye be fa sa bibi se aba wabiom na te se bibi ani a eyama entiase aye adwuma nti na nkomodie ewo awabem no tie momodia ni entutu ye nyama eye ewo awabem me di esi no adwentwe bia bomodia efa tudwa ewo tumaji h ye comment section wo na ebiem so no follow ye ewo ye Instagram page at @toomachgh_ na ama owusua enemy din ene dey mi be sia na me aduma de bebe bia update bia so no me de be so mo ewo video so ene ti nyame maye ochina makram.
The major prophet kun chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much gh on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much gh be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na why subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura
me dey Isaac Odwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren wonu me kam woni hwe too much gh mu ye too much na me so me ye amo fire.